All right, and start. Boom, let's start out. Let's start. Hello. How y'all doing? Everything's good. Hope y'all weekends was fine. Hope everybody had a great old time. You know? Me thought out with a little, a little look at what's coming up this week. I wish Yahoo had some like we can view like what's coming up this week. Um stock market news. Okay. Look at this. This is big news, big news. Mega cap tech earnings kick off this week. Here's what Wall Street is looking for. Yes, this is good news. 5 reasons why stock market multi-week sell-off will end soon, according to Wall Street Bull. And you know why I think that? Open that trading view up, man. Yeah, how y'all doing, man? How y'all doing, YouTube? How y'all doing? It's been I feel bad. I should have streamed throughout the week. But I only streamed one time, so like I should have done a little better, man. Let me hit up the Discord, man. And I'm live in the Discord, man. If you want to join the Discord, let me know. I'm live. All right, I'm live. I'm live. All right. That's enough for that. Got my views right here. Boom. Hey, it's Sunday, the Lord's Day. You know what I'm saying? And it's Sundays for Profits. You know why it's Sundays for Profits? I'm gonna explain my title right quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna explain my title right quick. I'm gonna explain it. Why is Sundays for Profit? I believe that Sunday is for profits because we have a weekly overlook. We look what's going to happen like in the past week. You know what I'm saying? That's why Sunday's for profits. You know what I'm saying? That's why Sunday's for profits. I'm gonna keep it G. I'm gonna keep it G. Sunday's definitely for profits. And this up last week, and then Monday was right here. We had the big old sell off, and I knew that market's gonna continue downtrending because we start our overlook. We started with. This is my old charts. I drew it up this on Monday. We could clearly see the market is in this bear market. Bear market. We're in a bear market. Look at this. The dollar's taking off. Market's in the bear market. You know what I'm saying? Look, this is the future. This is futures. XPX 500 bear market. Ooh, sheesh. Look at that. That's crazy. Just look at it. Bear market, bear market. Please chat, say something. Yo, show up on TikTok, which was lagging. Oh, okay. That's what's up, bro. I had to show up on TikTok. Hey, that's what's up, man. How you like to see our view, Christian? Man, give me some likes, man. Tap the screen. I don't know how you interact with Twitch and all that, but I'm just looking over the market right now, and we've been in a bear market. Like when you look on the weekly, you know what I'm saying? We gotta look on the weekly. Let's see how that looks. Just bearish pullbacks, bearish pullbacks. We have a bearish pullback, bearish pullback. You know what I'm saying? What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. And then look, US US dollar. You know what I'm saying? US dollar definitely rising. And I'm pretty sure if the market continues where it's at, it's gonna be hitting these highs right here. The dollar should be hitting these highs, but as you can see, what you say? Oh shit, my bad. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, I should do it right here. Okay, yeah, keep the chart in the middle with space to the right. All right. Bet. Got you, bro. Thank you for letting me know, bro. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. Please say something. Go, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and chat. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to don't be afraid to say something. Don't be afraid to say something. But as we see, as we see we see with the technical analysis side how the market's been reacting. What happened last week, if we go on the fundamental side, we saw that the Feds failed to drop interest rates. And we were promised in 2024 the Feds are going to drop the interest rate 3 times. And we're only in almost end of April. So you know what I mean? So like a lot of stocks, had sell-offs. And then in 2024 we started off with a bang. Like it was a strong push off and we needed that big old we needed that big old pullback, you know what I'm saying? Because what goes up must come down. We literally had like how many weeks of green candles? Let's count them, man. Sheet right here. How many weeks is that? One. Okay, let me count these weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 10 weeks of straight of bulls. So what I'll say is like, okay, the market is definitely pulling back, and then look at these structures. Market is breaking through all these structures on Nas 100. You know what I'm saying? But the reason I name the reason I have this title today, Sundays for Profits, is we get to look back on the prior week and look forward ahead. You know what I'm saying? Because we got to see what happened last week to go into the next week. You know what I'm saying? And we know last week there's an Israeli war, against Iran. So it's like that's gonna of course affect the market too, man. Hey man, thank you, bro. Thank you for the hearts, Christian, man. That's my homie. That's my best friend. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit. But right now, let me get into a little bit of the fundamentals right quick. And what do we expect? Let's see what happened last week. So we had core retail sales came in really well, better than forecasted. We had the retail sales, of course, came in higher. But look what happened. I was reading this and I looked into it. Ooh, that's too much. I need the summary version. Can I get the summary version? I need the summary one. Give me the summary. Yeah. So this is a business indication. So business activities continue to decline in New York State, according to the firms responding to manufacture. The headline general business conditions. Indice rose 7 points, but remained below zero at -14. So what does this mean for like the economy? I say this is I think why it cost us to manufacture. You know what I'm saying? So delivery time shortened and inventories edged higher. Labor market continues to remain weak with employment and hours worked moving lower. The pace of input price increase peaked over somewhat, while a pace of selling price increase steadily held steadily. Though firms expected conditions though. See, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing though, man. I'll tell you one thing, bro. I'm gonna tell you one thing. When you look at the news like this, like how does this affect the market? So this is what our company, our manufacturing index, pretty much what it costs to manufacture goods and stuff. So as we see, labor markets are costing more and stuff. I hope y'all can see that, but things are getting more expensive, and then people are still buying. I think we still have a good I think this earnings calls for the next week is gonna be well. Powell spoke. Like I said, is it I like looking at the summary, you know what I'm saying? I like looking at the summary. This is what really makes the money shake for real. Let me say reject these cookies, man. Get out my face. Let me center this up. I'm centering up. Oops. No, chill. Center it up. I'm center it up. You know what I'm saying? So now Chair Powell has caved. Surprising, in fact, that we've not had a bigger reaction, but we think that's coming at least, uh, or at least part of the progress that will ultimately see the 10-year back in the 5% era. So this is the what's it called? This is the interest rates right here. Interest rates not dropping. You know what I'm saying? We were expecting those interest rates to drop, but they ain't dropped yet. You know what I'm saying? Interest rates not dropping. How long can euro? How long can euro front end withstand the geopolitical and U.S. factors? See, that's other things. Let me see what did Powell said. Let me look at this. You know, this is the fundamentals of it's the fundamentals of trading. You know, you can't trade without looking at stuff like this because this affects our day by day trades. You know, even like if you swing trading, if you scalping, if you're doing any of that, it's going to affect it. So you got to look and see what the news. You know what happens. Powell signals delay in rate cuts due to persistent inflation. You know, so there's also inflation. Inflation. He's trying to battle inflation. You don't want to go ahead and get that over with. You know what I'm saying? So Powell, Jerome signaled policymakers will wait longer than previously anticipated to cut interest rates the following series of surprisingly high inflations. You know what I'm saying? If the price pressure resists, he said the Fed can keep rates steady for long as needed. Okay. So we know last week we got the news that interest rates ain't going nowhere. They're going to stay the same at 5%. And we're expecting them to cut, even get cut. But hey, that's going to be good for the market. Also, unemployment came in about the same as previously. And then we're in this fake job market, where I don't know. I don't want to get into much detail about the job market right now, but unemployment claims came in, about below forecasted, But let's move into next week and see what we expect. So we got no specific news on Monday, but as you know, we gotta look for earnings or big tech, or high end tech, high tech. What's it called? Let me. Oh man, we got mega cap tech. We got mega tech earnings kicking off this week. So that's some things to look forward to. Like these bears might turn into bulls, especially if the tech market earnings come in better than ever. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna keep that a real. I'm gonna keep that a buck. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep that a buck for real. Let me see. Okay, I got it centered. So if I was looking into trading this coming up week, if I was looking to trade this coming up week, what would I look for, and what kind of news would I be expecting? So always look at the NPI and see how it affects the market. Always read up. Like I want you to go. I'm an educator that I want to educate my people where when you go trade, go look for don't look what I show you and then that be final. You know what I'm saying? I want you to go do your own research and see how this gonna affect the market. You know what I'm saying? That's how I want to teach. I want to teach you, okay, look at this, and see how that's gonna affect the market. You know what I'm saying? So we have some big news coming up on Tuesday, Wednesday, some more news, Thursday, more news. Friday is gonna be it's gonna be it's gonna be a versatile week, same as last week. And then end of the month right here. Nothing. I don't expect anything crazy to happen. End of the month. But this week, this 2020, the 22nd through the 26th is gonna be pretty wild. We got earnings call coming in, and I don't think Powell's gonna be speaking this week, so we shouldn't get any inflation news probably until next month. But this is very important. Mega cap tech earnings kicking off this week. Here's what the Wall Street's looking out for.
stock to cryptocurrency and even
Why I can't hear
GameStop.
this? Why
Already
can I hear
counted
this?
6 times, Elon
Why
Musk's
can I hear
tweets
this? I'm
moved the
muted.
markets. When Musk revealed he'd made an offer for Twitter, Tesla stock lost nearly $40 billion in
God
value
damn.
in one day. His next tweet announcing the buyout cut 12% off Tesla stock. That's about $100 billion.
God
When
damn.
Musk tweeted that the deal was on hold, Twitter stock fell by 18% in pre-market trading. Musk owns 17% of Tesla, so all the Twitter news has also hurt his net worth. In all, it has dropped by $49 billion since he first offered to buy Twitter. That would now equate to about a quarter of his total net worth. Musk's
I don't know why they talking about Musk, man. I don't give a crap. F Musk. You was him. Barely sweating. Okay, Wall Street's gathering up the highlight of earnings season this week. Mega cap names that make up the Magnificent Seven will begin reporting, starting with Tesla. Investors are looking forward for Tesla to soothe fears after a tough stretch. While AI will be front and center. Okay, you know, that's really something to look forward to. That's something to look forward to. You know what I'm saying? That's something to look forward to, man. And okay, so investors are gearing up for what's to come in the main event of earnings. All right, bro, I want to know. Okay. Look. Oh, let me hit up Christian right quick, man. Let's see if everything's okay. So Monday, this is Tuesday. Tuesday, we have some earnings. We have some earnings from, I think, Tesla's on Tuesday. Okay, this should be a big week. We should see some shake. We should definitely see some shake. Should definitely see some shake. We should definitely see some shake. Should definitely see some shake.
Did
Yo,
your stream crash?
no, what's up? You can't hear me?
No, it's loading. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi or not. It was fine though, and then it paused.
Okay, I hope it's okay then.
Shit, it's not working for me right now.
Okay.
But I think that's on my end. It's just loading on TikTok.
All
Let me
right.
see if I'm still on Twitch.
Uh,
I'm gonna spam your shit till I get to 10,000 likes. I've been spamming. I'm on my way home. I was gonna call you when I got home.
all right, shit. All right, let me know how that shit is, cause on my end looks pretty fine. I'm gonna check it out on Twitch and see if that's live. And I'm on YouTube too. Let me see if YouTube's all right too. Let me see if my YouTube's straight.
Yeah, it looks like it's working on Twitch.
Okay.
I just on TikTok.
Okay. Cause I had, you know what's funny? Every time I show the charts, my viewer count go up, but when I'm showing the fundamentals, motherfuckers gonna be running.
Yeah, you had 10 TikTok. I was like, damn.
Yeah, bro. Because when you show the charts, people want to come, but like this one makes.
I'm gonna change my TikTok into a trading TikTok today. I made my.
All right, bet. Like I said, bro. All right, just listen in. Listen in. Okay.
Can't hear anything right now, but before you do your tag, I want to see your technical. So just bullshit on the news for a little bit. So.
I bet. Let me know when you make it home. So. I bet. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I'm just checking everything goes well. I know the viewer count goes down and up. I don't care how that it goes. I'm not gonna let that determine how I'm trading, how I'm pushing my live stream. So the fundamentals are always first. Fundamentals first, technical second, and then execution is last. You know what I'm saying? And we could talk about all that other stuff. So let's get really into it. You know, we into that fundamentals. So this is really big news. Like, okay, Tesla's going, you know, Tesla, their earnings reports are coming in. Here's what Wall Street is focused on: the first crop of mega cap titans to get ready to report. So Tesla's on the 23rd. Just look on the calendar. That's Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? That's Tuesday. That's Google right here, Alphabet. Google on the 23rd. So that's on Tuesday too. So Tesla and Google's dropping earnings report this week. this week. So that's something to watch out for. That's something to watch out for. That could probably push the that's definitely gonna have a that's gonna put brakes on this bear run. It's gonna have brakes on this bear runs for sure. It's gonna have brakes on this bear run. Definitely gonna have brakes on this bear run, man. I'm 100% sure. Like I'm 100% sure. Like it's gonna give it some breaks because last week was a tragic week. You know what I'm saying? It had big sell-offs, but like I said, Tesla. Okay, let's see what Tesla expects. Okay, so Elon Musk's car company is causing investors a lot of stress heading into earnings with a laundry list of woes on the radar. You know what I'm saying? It's something to look forward to, including a dive in vehicle sales in the first quarters. Over Musk 56 billion pay package and recent layoffs that saw the company axe over 10% of its staffs. The stock is down 40% year to date, and a slew of banks have downgraded their outlook for the share as it pivots from a more affordable vehicle model and towards initiatives like robotics and full self-service tech. Okay, so Tesla's going through a change right now. Let's say I was let me look at Tesla, man. Let me look at Tesla stock. Let me search up Tesla stock. Tesla, that's spelled out right, yeah. Tesla Inc. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sheesh. Damn. I wish this was a lot cleaner though. Yeah, let me look on a week by week basis. Yeah, don't look good. Let me take this out. So on a week by week, Tesla has been on the definitely downtrend. You know what I'm saying? Downtrend. Like, let me tell you this: if the stock is on the downtrend, even in a industry, only things on the downtrend, always look to enter. Don't always be by that bias. Don't change up your bias, right? Always change up your bias. Never change up your bias. Like, look, if you're trading this, I'm only looking for sales. I'm not trying to get into no type of bias. And Tesla's going through a change right now. And I think why Tesla's going through a change is because I think the vision for Elon, he wants to have a company that can provide more vehicles on the road. Like, he wants a more like, like he wants to compete with Ford. He wants to compete with Ford. This other, Chevrolet, Toyota. They are making cheaper electronic vehicles. You know what I'm saying? They're making cheaper electronic vehicles. That's why we are seeing Tesla trying to get into that market cap. Okay, how can I get into a cheaper vehicle model? And that's more money. Cause like, end of the day, like if not everybody can afford a brand new $50,000 car, like I can't afford a $50,000 car. That's insane. Not an average American can. So like, you gotta think about it. He wants to be appealed to the average American, so he wants everybody to drive a Tesla. You know what I'm saying? And get it. The more that's more money. That's gonna be more profits in the future. But right now, it's gonna cost to pivot to that, because the way he built this company is to provide high-end electric vehicles. High-end electric vehicles. But that's what I see, and this earnings it's gonna definitely affect the market a little bit. As I look at Nasdaq, it's definitely gonna, even as I look at the stock right here, it's definitely gonna affect it. Definitely gonna affect it. You know what I'm saying? And let's see. Let me go on a weekly. Oh, god damn! Look at that. I'm not even done yet. For real. So that's the earnings calls to that's the earning call to be looking out for. Boom. Now on the same day, 23rd of 23rd, we also got Alphabet. This is Google. So Bank of America is bullish on Google parent heading into earnings, saying is a note on Thursday that limited job openings indicate cost management, but analysts foresee 13% upside potential above Wall Street 11% growth estimates thanks to robust YouTube performance. Okay, so YouTube views has been pushing up. Apparently YouTube is doing good, so that's good, and that's gonna help. This is gonna help Google out. Additionally, the bank thinks highly of Google's robust search results, seeing them as the second categories for a recovery in AI sentiment after the March lows, especially with the Google I/O developer event still on the horizon. So okay, Google definitely is trying to get into that. Google is definitely trying to get into that. Google is trying to get into that. Google's trying to get into. Google's trying to get into. Google's trying to get into. What is Google trying to get? Google trying is trying to put a step into AI, and AI has been really on fire, so that's really good. And then Wednesday we got Meta recently dropped its latest AI chatbot Llama 3, flexing its muscle with the performance over industry benchmarks with upgraded reasoning skills. Okay, see, all these major tech companies are trying to get into the AI, you know what I'm saying? So let me see. What is I'm trying to just go over this fast. Okay, JP Morgan analyzed, led by Doug, I don't know who that, warned that Marcusburg company may be headed for a slowdown after the first quarter, driven by tough comparisons as previous lack of fresh categories compared to 2023. We believe slower growth is well anticipated. Okay. And then on the 25th, we got Microsoft. Microsoft is seen by Wall Street as a heavy hitter in AI going into earnings as company is gearing up for a triple its GPU count in 2024, aiming to stack up $1 million AI chips by end of year. Okay, that's something legit. Okay. Meanwhile, the bank kept its 400. Meanwhile, the bank kept its 480 price target unchanged, signaling a potential upside of 20% from where the stock was trading late Friday. Okay. Amazon. Okay, we got Amazon dropping on the 30th. That's something to look forward to. So Amazon is our best idea, even at its most owned across over coverage. Oh, I don't want to listen to that BS. All right. Ongoing stock market sell-off is close. It's close to ending according to this guy. Why is it? Lee offered 5 reasons why we expect that multi-week stock decline will soon reverse. Equities had a strong first quarter in 2024, so the fact that stocks are consolidating and even drifting lower is internally a surprise. And then this guy go back. So this is some great news right here. This whole week gonna be, this are mega stocks, and they're all having their earnings reports drop in. So that's gonna be really fire. It's gonna be really fire. Okay, we home. All right. Bet. Let me just look for so artificial intelligence tools could be $3 trillion market according to Churchwood. Okay. Will Oracle be a $1 trillion stock by 2023? 2030. Some more analysis, but this right here, this is fire. This is good news right here. This is what you want to see. This is what you want to hear. All right, so we know next week we're gonna be having earnings calls. So so you saying something's going on with Twitch? I mean TikTok. I'm a try to refresh and see if TikTok is okay. Let me check out YouTube. Let's see if YouTube is fine. It's fine. Okay, my YouTube is fine. All right. I hope everything's fine. Shit. Hope everything's fine. Hope everything is fine. Okay. Dang, I hope my Twitch, I mean my TikTok ain't tripping too much. TikTok is still messed up, but Twitch is fine. Dang, what's going on with TikTok, man? Memory. Upload. And drops. Everything is fine over here. CP usage won't load. Shit, for real? Dang. That's how I'm probably not getting any viewers. That's why of that. It's not loading, bruh. What the heck? I'm gonna stop and start it again. I'm gonna stop and start it again. Me and live. Code. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start it again, Christian. I'm gonna start it again. All right, and boom. All right, I'm back live. I'm back live. I'm back live. Let's see if everything's good on TikTok. Let's see everything good on TikTok. Yo, Christian, can you check it out? Can you check it out? Let's see if it's loading again. Let's see if it's loading again. Sunday Prophets. Sunday Prophets. Sunday Prophet. Oh my goodness. Misspell prophets. Yeah. Okay, bad. Dang, I misspelled prophet. I'll say proverbs. Whatever. Uh, we might get into the technical side. I just went over a little bit of I just went over a little bit of fundamentals, the good stuff. Cause you need both, man. If you want to be a profitable trader, week in, week out, you have to know the fundamentals. You got to know what's going on in the market. You got to know what's going on in the economy, and that was gonna make you a profitable trader. Is that we got to know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Both sides and both ways. You know what I'm saying? Ins and out. Cause now we know what's going on the outside. Let's see what's going on the price side. You know what I'm saying? This is the price side. You know, we got the news side out of the way. We about to get it in the price side. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it started. All right. Nasdaq. Like on Monday, I said like look for sales. Like don't try to predict the comeback. You know, do not try to predict a comeback. Do not try to get that 1 in a million like buy. If you can tell, even like on the daily, like you see, we have a this should be an indication right here. We have a bearish engulfing. So this is an indication that it's a reversal sign. Reversal. You know what I'm saying? Look, we had a bullish engulfing, but it flattened down. It flattened out. So let's remove these drawings and let's go on the 4 hour and see what really happened. So Actually, let me go back. Let me keep my drawings. I'm going to 4 hour. As you can see, we have this major support level. I have two rules when I trade. Well, this should be like written. It's not a rule. It should be a rule, but O is sell below support and O is buy above resistance. You know what I'm saying? So we had this major level of support right here. Price came back multiple times throughout a 2 week period. Bounced off, and then it finally broke through. Finally broke through. Hopefully I can see. Price finally broke through, right? Let me remove these drawings, man. I had it drawn out. So how do I find okay, one thing is though, let me say something about marking up the charts. So you can mark up the charts on different time frames, right? It's going to tell you a different story. So each time frame has a different story. Each time frame has a different story. I would say that each time frame has a different story. I'm gonna repeat that one more time. Each time frame has a different story. So what you see on the 1 hour is gonna be different what you see from the monthly, the daily, the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? So each time frame has a different story. So, but it's good to know what's going on a larger time frame, on a longer time frame, to know, okay, like if I'm a scalper, I still would want to mark up on my chart on a 4 hour and see what's going on in the market on a bigger time frame. So when I go in and actually want to catch, you know what I'm saying, some plays, I know that we are generally in a downtrend. So I could tell that, okay, if I'm looking at the market on this end, from this side, we know like, okay, we're in a downtrend. By Tuesday and Monday, I would have drawn up. Okay, look, I would have drawn up this right here. Boom. All right, this is another support. Actually, let me draw that. Look, this is another support right here. Right, price comes beneath our support. I'm selling. You know what I'm saying? It fake out. It's always like, okay, Monday, Tuesday, it wasn't a great day to even trade. Like, I would want to trade, not too much news drop. And then, look, right here, I want to sell off. You want to sell underneath support. Price came under support again. You know what I'm saying? Price came under support again. Price became under support again. After that, price became under support. It's a selling opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Even like on a smaller time frame, I know we're in a sell off. We're in a what's it called? We're in a bear market. Look, price consolidating. This is a consolidation. You don't want to trade this. I don't want to trade this. But when I see price come back below support again, that's another opportunity to sell off. Like, okay, boom. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. We go here. Okay. That's the thing though. I have different stories. Like for each time frame, I can look at it and I can draw it up and I look at it different. You know what I'm saying? I can mark up the chart on a 15-minute time frame, and then I'll have a whole different story on a daily. But like you see right here, we had support resistance. Price was, finally broke overnight, came back. It's a sell off, man. It just sold off. Even right here, we had this resistance right here. Price wanted to break. You got to see what price is trying to do. Price is trying to break. This is a 15 time frame on a 15-minute. Okay, you could call this support right here. So we had news drop about inflation, boom. And then price wanted to bounce back, but it failed. Then it finally broke, came back to retest. And then this is our entry right here. We buy right here. It's our entry right here. You know what I'm saying? It's our entry right here. We risk like 50 points. And then we're trying to eat it back where we're at. The guaranteed hit is going to be right here. Oh, it's a sell. I'm tripping. Boom. Buy. Stop loss. 50 points. NASDAQ, you always got to have 50 point stop loss or more. You know what I'm saying? Because price gonna target that. And this is on a 1 day. Really, our target should be like right here. You know what I'm saying? Even 100 points. But shit, price recovered all the way. You know, there's so many like this is on the scalping, charting it up like different stories. Like okay, price broke that, whatever. You know, you can't. This is the beginning of the market. Really can't tell nothing. But if you look down right here, okay, boom. See, price had the support, broke through it, came back, retest. It just touched that point. And then you could do, what's that tool, man? The fib, bro. You could throw a fib right here. Look at that. Look at that Fibonacci. Shout out to Gio. The fib. Entry point, entry level right there. This is entry level. Price didn't hit all TPs, but you would have earned this is how much you're risking. This is your risk. I don't know, short. So you shorting right here. You're risking 40 points. Your first TP is 88 points. Second TP, 125 points. It never hit, you never hit the third TP. But you would earn that. You know what I'm saying? We're using all the tools we learned, man. You gotta use tools, but I like to look at the market on the wider scale. So if I wanted to go and look at the market on a smaller time frame, I'll go ahead and do that. But the larger time frames tell us what direction the market is going in, and the smaller time frames pretty much we can execute on them smaller time frames. You know what I'm saying? So we're clearly on a downtrend, so we should not look for any buys. It makes no sense. It makes zero sense if you want to get into any types of buys. Like, it makes no sense. Like, why would I try to get in any types of buys? You know, we're in a downtrend. You know, markets are selling off, but we know, we just read the fundamentals. Like next week, this coming up week, we have earnings calls coming back, and it should affect how we see, you know, on Tuesday. I'm saying some shake on Tuesday because Tesla and Google are dropping their earnings calls. And as you know, Tesla has not had a great first quarter, so that's something to have. You know, that's something to understand and know, and like look into. Like, okay, like Tesla did not have a great first quarter. We should it should not do too well when they have their that quarter drop, like earnings call drop. So Tesla and Alphabet are dropping. Tesla and Google are dropping their earnings call Tuesday. So that's something to look out for. And as you see on the hour, like last week we had, you know, just had a sell-off. It was just like a bearish week. And if you knew when to enter and when to get out, you'd have made profit. Like, you could have made a lot of profit. You know what I'm saying? If you zoom in, look at it a little better, you know, look, support level right here. You got a support level, support in the market. You got support in the market right here. Support level. Let me make this a little bigger, man. You got support level in the market. You saw resistance right here. Resistance lasted about 2 days. Resistance. Oh damn, I can't spell bro, can't type. In the market. Okay, resistance in the market. You know what I'm saying? You see it right here? All right, boom. We have resistance. And what did price do? Let me point it out. So price came to resistance, broke out. It did not fully come back and retest, but like I said, he created another level of support right here, and then this would have been a great opportunity, okay, to enter. You have price breaking below support. That's not a support level. It's a thing though. Price when you see a market trend price is going to continue to create support level and it's going to break through them. And then it's going to create another one and break through them. Create another one and break through them. You know, price going to create this support level and then it's going to might come back, retest it. You know what I'm saying? This is a great opportunity. Okay, if I'm trading, see price had the support from the prior day, and then you know indication we saw. Okay, we saw like that. We saw right here that price came back to test the resistance. You know what I'm saying? And then broke through it, came back, and then once this is an entry point right here. This happened all one day. This is a story. Boom. Entry level. We can hold. I don't know what instruments y'all use, but hold until, you know, price continues on the downside. But in the future, I don't know. I might come back and live stream on Monday because I like to see what because Monday indicates how the market's going to be moving. You know what I'm saying? Because last week we had a crazy Monday. We had a crazy sell-off. Where was the sell-off? I think, Tuesday. So you have a crazy sell-off on Monday. And Monday we broke belief this major support that we had. So it's always important to know, okay, what's going to be happening with it's always know like how price is moving and what's showing you on the technical side. And we know like price is breaking below support and not breaking any resistance. And we're creating lower lows and higher highs. So we always got to have that look. We always got to have that outlook. Okay, like we not see lower lows. I mean, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then let's say price is doing this, man. Man, pull out that fib, bro. Pull out that fib. Pull out that fib. Shit, we know we're in the down market. The market is on the downtrend. Let me zoom in. We know when the market is trending off. Shit, man. The fib always worked, though. Don't sleep on the fib. Even though it never came back to retest, but hey, it just continues selling off. Let's see if the fib could have helped you out right here. Hell nah. Well, a little bit if you had your sell order right here. But me personally, earnings calls and inflation news, I definitely expect the price to continue dropping. And let's go back into, this is a dollar right here. Dollar sheet. Okay, with earnings calls, I expect the dollars to come back and pull back a little bit. Come back, and it's probably going to test these levels right here. Test this level right here. Join up. And man, see this level right here is a major resistance level on a daily. Yep, it was cancel. This is a dollar. I'm looking at a dollar right now. I was looking at NASDAQ 100. This is a dollar. So I got all these lines. Why do I draw these lines up? I draw these lines to just indicate, you know, where price is pretty much showing slowdown or showing that, okay, this is where our support or resistance level is at. You know what I'm saying? Or highs. You can mark sometimes the high and the low can be marked up as a support and resistance. You know what I'm saying? And that can help you see where price is headed at. So on this 4 hour right now, I definitely see a reversal. Price is failing. It's failing to get any higher, and then we created a new low. Look, price broke below this support level. Let me draw it up. Support level. Got the support level right here. So we could see continuation on the lower side, on the downside. So ain't nothing wrong with that, you know what I'm saying? Which is pretty cool. I see price coming back to test these levels right here for a pullback, especially when we get that earnings call. Or if we get the earnings reports coming in, they come in positive, come in better, we should see some pullback on the dollar because people are going to be more interested in, investing their money, and the dollar won't get as strong. So, boom. That's what I see on a dollar, on a daily. Yeah, it's very, very bullish, but I expect to pull back with those earnings calls. But if not, hey, we about to see some shake. This is the futures. This is the futures for US for Nasdaq. Pretty much same story with Nasdaq. Same story with Nasdaq. Just in the futures form, ain't nothing different. Still seeing sell-offs. Uh, if you want to drop the chart on a smaller time frame, it's going to tell you a different story. And the story is I'm looking at sales, unless I start seeing higher highs being created on this time frame or in the 4 hour, to confirm that we're gonna be changing directions. But so far, we're still in a bearish market, bearish trend, and markets should continue on the downside. Markets should continue on the downside, and I'll mark this up like, okay, like it's a resistance, it's a support level, support in the market in the market. Boom. Got resistance level. It's in market. Got that right there. So what am I looking for when I draw this up? So I know price at this level got rejected hard, and then it got rejected at the beginning of it got rejected at the beginning of the Friday US session. So price broke our support, and we're looking for a retest, or not even a retest. We're looking for a pullback, and a pullback might occur on a Sunday, and then Monday, if things don't change, if the bias is still the same, we might see when we see price. Let me try to draw this up, man. Where's my my tool at? Need this tool. So we might see a little pullback, and then we might even retest this resistance level. If not, this is our entry point right here, and price should continue down if the bias doesn't change, if the earnings calls are not that so great, But that's on a lower time frame. And if I want to look at the 15, want to be a scalper, you're looking at a different story. You're looking at different support resistance levels. You know what I'm saying? But as you know, if I'm scalping, I'm looking to sell. You know what I'm saying? I'm not into no buys. I ain't trying to do no crazy buys. You know what I'm saying? It's a bear market. It's a bear market. And the only way if you want to change your bias is we only trade with what we see. You know what I'm saying? We're seeing all these red candles. So we're going to be selling along with the red candles, And if you want to keep on selling with the red candles, you got to keep on selling with the candles. You're going to be selling on forever. If we're gonna keep seeing red candles occur, it's gonna sell on forever. We trade what we see. We don't trade what we think is gonna happen, unless we have news coming out that's gonna change something. Earnings calls, inflation news, rates cuts, war, that affects the market, right? But on the technical side, we seeing a trending market that's trending downward, so we're going to be trying to capitalize on that trend down. Our job as traders is to see how well could we capitalize on certain trends. We don't make money if we don't make any money if the market is definitely consolidating. Our job is to capitalize when the market is trending up or down, and that's how we make our bread, man. That's how we make our bread. That's how we make that bread. We make money when market is definitely trending. Trading is much easier when you see a trending market. We want to capitalize on that. We do not want to capitalize on the consolidating market, because that could, that could definitely cause confusion, and no, you don't want to take too many L's, because L's are part of trading. But to minimize your L's, trade with a trend and get rich, man. I'm gonna say that one more time. If you want to capitalize on your trades, man, just trade with a trend. Just make it easier for yourself. Don't try to also don't try to counter trend trade. Don't try to get into the market. Oh, like it's gonna be a buy. I see it selling. Where's gonna be that crazy buy candle? Like, bro, like if that occurs or some news drop, that's good if you caught that. But for the most part, it's not gonna happen. So try to trade with a trend. Try to trade with a market. Try to stay, with the market. You know what I'm saying? And let's look at XPX 500. This XPX 500 on futures, same story, just a different Just a different outlook. So on the 1 hour, I always like to draw my markets up on the 4 hour and then zoom in and see what's gonna happen. But as you can see, I'm gonna draw this up like, we have a resistance level right here. Market definitely broke this support level. But I like this. The market bounced off, and we have a resistance level, right? Support resistance. Sorry. Going in 1 hour. So price created a low. This is a lower high, but it's at resistance, or it was a L support. Price broke below support, and then made a new low, came back, tested the tested the old support. Now as price can continue to break through the support level, we're gonna have to see support level in the market. You know what I'm saying? Or mark it up. To show you what's going on. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in for y'all so I can see. You know what I'm saying? Always look at price like, okay, price broke below this support, made a new low, came back, and then continued on the downside. And I see price definitely gonna, test this support level. Would it break through? We don't know that. We got earnings call, we got earnings reports coming in, and that's some good news. That could be a causation of a reversal. You know what I'm saying? That could be a causation of a reversal. The earnings reports, because people are really anticipating this. And then it's like, look, one thing, what happened last time when earnings dropped. Last time earnings dropped. Let me mark this up right here. Mark this box. 4 hour. I'm gonna start doing that. Do this. Let me show you what happens last time earnings drop. Let me zoom in, man. Let me zoom in, man. So right here, this is a fundamental. Why fundamentals is important? Because if on a technical side, prices trading lower, it's selling off. Boom, right here, 2 p.m. I'm gonna tell you what happened. NVIDIA earnings report came back and they were positive, really great. You know what that caused the market to do? Change directions, change opinion, change the opinion on price, change the opinion on stocks. End of the day, like, look, this right here, if you'd taking an L, if you like, oh man, price is selling off, like, you'd be like, damn, price is coming back for a retest. No, bro, price is coming back to take your account. You know what I'm saying? If you're in trading with a stop loss. So that's why like earnings are important, because like we might see this crazy sell off, but then we have really good earnings report. We might see the same thing where price changes directions, changes trend. Like earnings report, earnings dropped this like last month, and that change in course literally changed the whole trend of the market. So that's why like it's important to know both. Like that's why it's important to know technicals and fundamentals, because when you see it from this perspective, like I'm seeing like, okay, let's say I was trading and I didn't know what's going on fundamentally. I'm just trying to sell off, right? But always know what's gonna be the crazy news. Just know that inflation news, inflation news gonna affect the market. Uh, just know what inflation news is affecting the market. Rate news, like interest rates news, even home sales. Some like it's gonna affect the market, and people. It's gonna affect how people are investing, and people. What investors want to put their money into. Okay. Uh, this is USD. Dang. So I drew this up. Probably last. So I had a support here. Price broke through it, came back, didn't completely broke back. Broke above it. Then had another indication of a bearish market. Now we had a what? We had a crazy bear candle right here. This was the indication that price underneath this level is gonna continue downward, and if price came back above this level, there's gonna be another opportunity to continue upward. Broke that, came back. Look. If you were trading, let me just delete this. If you were trading, this is what we look for. That's what we look for. So we know price pretty much broke this resistance. Well, I'm not gonna say broke because you're not gonna look at when you see the market from this perspective right here. You don't know, like, okay, created this high, and you see prices having a resistance level right here. That's why we drew that up. This is our target. This is our indication level. So if you just patient. So we're looking for buys above this level. Target right here. Target is gonna be right here. Boom. You can chill. Boom. Look at that. You can chill. Boom. Price broke. Came back. Saw resistance level. So we knew, like, above this level, above this resistance, price could come and hit this target. So when I what's it called? When I mark up this little blue, that's my indication. That's like, okay, that's indication that price wants to get there. Price wants to go below or above certain levels. So right now, like I said, I like marking my charts up on the 4 hour, because it shows me a bigger time frame. And if you want to scout, like, mark it up on the 1 hour, right? Mark it up on 1 hour, then get in a better view. If you want to scout your charts, like, mark it up on a 1 hour and get into it. You know what I'm saying? And then, like, it's not wrong with scalping. Like, if you want to get into like smaller time frames, I say if you want to like scout, mark it on the 1 hour, mark up your charts on the 1 hour, know where support resistance at on the 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? And then get into it on the 15. Like, okay, like, I know, say, boom, we have this resistance level right here. I mean, you got a support level right here. Market. I'm gonna put it right here. Support level. Right. We have a support level right here. Resistance level. So boom, I drew it up. I marked it up, right? Then I can go into it and look at it on a, let's say, 15, right? So I have this level right here. I'm having indication. Look, there's indication that price wants to get below here. Indication the price wants to get below right here. So I'm a scalper, right? I'm already had this indication that price is willing to get below this certain level. So you see price, that's why we see price break this support level, continue downwards. We don't have to buy here. We don't have to sell here. You know what I'm saying? We don't. You could have sold right here. You know, you could have made some profit, but you know who wants to sell? You don't want to get into this. This is aftermarkets. But as you see price is at breaks below support, our support level, breaks below our support level. You know what I'm saying? Short indication. Boom. We had that. Now look. Right here, price comes back below and it's closing below. It's closed below. This is an entry level, right? This is an entry zone right here. I would say, I don't know how many pips that is. Let me count, man. How many points that is? Shit. Always give your stop loss enough space to breathe. I don't know. This is euro. This is euro. This is euro. This is euro USD on the futures though. So look, you give your chart. You give your stop. You give your stop. Look, below this level, you can even like sell below here, but I want you to have a good look. You're being wicked out. Price for the hit TP overnight. Boom. Boom. And then look, it happens again. Once price closed below, we already have indication. New indications right here. You know what I'm saying? And this is below support. This is how you scalp. Boom. You're making, I don't know how many points that is, but look, if you were up late at night, you see prices closing below support. Sell again, you can sell again. Boom. Give your shit enough. Give your trade enough space. Give your trade enough space to breathe. You know it's so below, and then our target level is right here. It's our target level. Boom, went over crazy. Then price came back below. Right here, this is London session. I wouldn't mess with London. Then in the morning, price fully is trying to reverse again. And look, you can really get into another buy. Be like, shit, price is above this resistance level because at this point, like, we have a support level and this becomes a resistance level. And you know, like, okay, this level is our target now. All using one line. You can have multiple entries. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Wait. Boom. I'm feeling long because, okay, price is showing indication like right here. It closed above. Okay, you missed this trade, right? And then look, came back, resistance, did not go below. You know what I'm saying? You could have like entered right in the morning, like, okay, boom. And then your target level right there. Stop loss. Definitely gotta be a little lower. This is scalping. This is scalping on a smaller time frame, and it's so many entries. You know, market offers so many opportunities. Our job is to. That's trading against the trend right there. I wouldn't do that. Our job is to execute on the right time. You know what I'm saying? Execute on a smart basis. Look, price below. Look, bro. Look, that's another opportunity. Like, if you're scalping, price below resistance, hit target if you were trading at late time. Then broke above that. So it's really good. It's really good. Euro, I see Euro reversing too, low key, because on the 1 hour though, like all this consolidation at this level right here. You see, I'm seeing too much consolidation. So, and if price breaks this high right here, zoom in. Let me zoom in. If price breaks this high right here, if price breaks this high, Let's say price breaks this high and creates another low. Creates another low. We might see price fully retest this old support level. You know what I'm saying? But when you, and one thing I want you to do when you are actually in the midst of trading, it's good to just clear your chart out and just keep it simple. Like, don't have too much like things to that could affect the way you're gonna look at the chart in the market. But for my guy Christian, I'm about to go look over gold. If you even trade that shit, if you even trade gold, USD gold. Is that gold futures? It is gold futures right here per ounce. Boom. Oh my goodness. Oh, gold is looking very bullish. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gold is looking very bullish. Gold make you sick. Gold make you sick. Not gonna lie. This is very, very bullish. Christian, I know you. Oof. And then you gotta look at it. Oh my goodness. It's following structure. Let me not do futures. Let me do regular. Gold spot. Do gold. Research. Yeah. Oh. Still very following structure very well. Creating higher highs, lower lows. Like, it just, like, let me just show you, like, right here. Look, gold is following structure. Came back. Look, broke support, broke resistance. Came back, retested. Buy right here. That's support level, strong support level. But I'll say this support level right here, if it ever breaks, we might see gold like test its lower lows for sure. But let me mark up gold, man. Let me see what gold gonna be doing. See what gold gonna be doing, man. Let me see what gold gonna be doing for sure. Boom, boom. We got this support level right here. Because, you know, resistance levels become support. Basic market structure. Level, support level right here. And then, ooh, I see gold has a resistance level right here. Gold wants to break that. Gold wants to break that. Gold wants to break that level. Gold wants to break this level right here for sure. Gold wants to break that level. Not gonna lie. Gold wants to break that level. Then let's see on the hour. What's going on the hour? Okay, gold has broken it on the hour, so this is our indication that gold wants to get higher than the gold. I think gold might hit 2,500, like it might hit that level for sure. Might hit that level. See, look, it broke it in the Asian session, because Asia is really fond of gold, and you know they have a lot of investment in that. But as you can see right here, we have an indication that gold, you know what I'm saying, wants to continue upwards. And then we have another indication, like, look, we can be missing things, right? Boom, we have another indication. Gold wants this support level. If gold continues, gold could continue either way right now, but I see gold continuing up. Like, we have this high indication. You know, you have this crazy high of 2,500, 2,400 right here, and I definitely see gold hitting these levels of price right here. These levels of price, but currently is between this tunnel, which I would not want to trade. I do not want to trade. I don't want to trade. Wow. Okay. Let's just scalp it. You know, this is a view from a long-term goal. Like, okay, gold has a resistance level around here, below resistance right now, below resistance, and we can see gold push up or down. Like, you know, always got to see and react to price. And if you want to trade commodities like gold, always see what, like, do your research on what, like, news or how this commodity is affected, you know, on a news point of view. And you know, like, on a dollar, on a dollar, dang, gold and dollar's been trading the same way. Chill out. Go back. Gold and dollar have been kind of bullish together. But let me look at it in a 15 point of view, 15 point of view on a smaller time frame. And how could we scalp this? How could you scalp? You know what I'm saying? How can you get into that smaller, you know, how you can get a little money, you know, how you get the big, you don't gotta make the big plays to make bread, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta catch 600, 400 points. You can catch 100, 200 points. So look, if I was scalping gold, you have this level of resistance. We have this old support. Old support. Damn. Okay. So to hit this level, damn. Man, you gotta just, oof. There's a lot of opportunity, bruh. Look, okay. Poor level. Never came back. This is old resistance. Let's say like I was scalping, right? And I know I know we're in an uptrend, right? Because I should not be looking for any types of buys. I mean, any types of sales on gold. Like it's very stupid to do that. I'm looking towards buys, right? So when I'm scalping, we know the trend is clearly the trend is clearly up. Like our trend is up, you know what I'm saying? Our trend is up. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this old markups, bro. Old markups had this level of support, right? Resistance. If gold broke this, look, it was creating lower lows. And I said, if it breaks these, it's gonna continue breaking them. And we only up here. So we on an uptrend. So if I'm looking over here, I'm looking for buys, right? I'm looking for buy opportunities. Because I'm not gonna lose buying in the long term. If I can buy and hold, that's good. But if I'm scalping, right, I'm looking for a buy opportunity. So we have indication. All right. Boom. We had this break of resistance. How long this resistance was for? It's our resistance, right? This is a high right here. Broke through, went crazy, came back down. So on a scalping mentality, on view, okay. How can I take advantage of this? And you see a little, you know, policy right here. So many opportunities, man. Not gonna lie, so many opportunities. I'm done working up the chart. What do I see gold doing this week? I'm gonna tell y'all Monday for sure. I'll tell y'all Monday what's gonna happen, because Monday is an indication of what's gonna happen throughout the week. But back to Nas, always focus on the fundamentals. We're you know, markets really pulling back on the higher time frames, lower time frames. You should, you know, be looking for sales. This week's news, of course, we have mega cap. We got mega cap. Mega cap earnings kickoff this week. It's kickoff, so next week's gonna be more earnings for other capital, so other corporate firms, and then boom. Look what I see right here. NVIDIA. This is my watch list. You gotta wire this, man. Okay. All right. NVIDIA stock investors just got some bullish news from this whatever giant. Okay, so in today's videos I discuss updates affecting NVIDIA. What does it say? What's this?
Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're going to take a closer look at NVIDIA and the AI space. More importantly, today, I do believe we got two pretty cool news for the AI market and for NVIDIA stock in general. The first one is TSMC. The company just reported earnings, and they did kind of share a lot of great insight about.
Boom. You know what? I'm gonna leave that to the viewers to do their research. Like, please, like when you're trading, when you're a trader, like look into the fundamentals, know what's gonna move the markets, but also trade with a trend on the technical side. Like, do not try to trade against a trend. And it's good to know what's going on the economic level, what's going on interest rates, what's going on with like anything, war news. Like, just read upon it. Even watch the video. I'm about to watch this video. I'm not gonna live stream it. It's somebody else's video, but I'm gonna go educate myself. Always constantly educate yourself. Constantly educate yourself. And thank you for coming in this live, man. This is Uganda Trades. I'm grateful that I'm able to provide all this free education to y'all. And please, like when you trade, always look at the fundamentals, look at your technicals, and you know, maybe on tomorrow I might get into a little bit of psychology, but I'm trying to keep it a little simple. I'm gonna keep it simple because I'm gonna try to do like a little course or educational level course where I just talk about the basics of the market and what to look for. Because I'm kind of on the higher end of the market and the way I view the market. So I'm going to try to dumb it down a little bit so when people get into the live and know what's really going on. But thank you. Thank you for coming through. If you watch or even give a thumbs up, I appreciate the support, man. Thank you. And you know, I'm out of here. Uganda Force, Uganda Trades is live. And we're going to be back tomorrow for more educational purposes. I'll be out of here. Oh, yeah, and that. See you on Twitch.